So Miles is in his costume. Miles, come. Come. Hey, buddy. Here we have a referee. And we have a high school football player. Harrison, you're not doing a very good job being a referee. Gotta settle that player down. Take him down.
Alright, so basically, any party we go to with these guys is gonna be fantastic.
Yeah.